In this video, I'm going to show you how you can attach some spade bits to a Black & Decker impact driver. So the first thing you have to realise is that all spade bits have a different shank on the end, and only some of these will fit into your impact driver. But there's two ways you can do it, and I'm going to show you both of these ways before the end of the video. So you'll notice that's got a smooth rounded shank, that flat bit or spade bit's got a hex shank, and these two have a hex shank with a little notch at the end. These are the only two types of spade bit that will connect directly into your impact driver, but don't worry, we'll show you another way you can connect your old spade bits in just a moment. So as you would when you're inserting a driver bit, simply pull the collar forward on your Black & Decker impact driver, slot your spade bit in, put your battery in your drill properly, and you're good to start drilling some holes. Now, if you do have a load of old flat bits lying around, then the only way you can connect these in to your impact driver and hold them in there securely is to use an adapter chuck. So this is an adapter chuck we picked up off Amazon, and this has a hex shank on the end, and it'll fit directly into your impact driver, converting it into a normal drill chuck. So simply pull your collar back as you normally would, and now you've converted your impact driver into a normal drill. So it operates just like a normal drill chuck. Widen the jaws. You can take any kind of spade bit now, insert it into your chuck, and then you can drill holes as usual. If you found anything we've used in this video helpful, we've put a link to them in the description.